Imagine a trading desk with a fundamental analyst, a news researcher, a sentiment expert, a technical analyst, two researchers arguing bull versus bear, a trader, and a risk team. Now imagine that entire team is powered by AI and runs from your terminal as open source code. This is TradingAgents, an open source multi-agent framework from Tauric Research designed to simulate the decision-making structure of a real trading firm. 1 lakh plus GitHub stars, 18,000 plus forks. It's released under Apache 2.0. TradingAgents takes a different approach. Instead of asking one AI to do everything, it breaks the research process into specialized agents. Let's say we're analyzing NVIDIA. The Fundamental Analyst examines financial information such as earnings, revenue, balance sheet health, and valuation. The News Analyst looks for relevant company and market news. The Sentiment Analyst examines public market sentiment from sources such as Reddit and StockTwits. And the Technical Analyst studies market data and indicators such as MACD and RSI. Each analyst produces research, but none makes the final decision. Their reports move to the research team. One researcher represents the bull case. The other represents the bear case. The bull researcher argues why the stock could move higher. The bear researcher challenges those assumptions, looks for weaknesses, and presents the downside. They can go through multiple rounds of debate. The goal isn't simply to generate more AI text, it is to force the system to challenge its own reasoning. After the debate, a trader agent evaluates both sides and proposes a trading decision. But the system still isn't finished. The proposed trade is passed to risk management agents. One takes a more aggressive perspective, while another takes a more conservative approach. They stress test the proposal and examine whether the trade makes sense from a risk perspective. The overall flow is stock, analysts, bull-bear debate, trader, risk management, final decision. Under the hood, TradingAgents is built around LangGraph. Instead of one enormous prompt, each stage becomes a separate node in an AI workflow, making the process easier to inspect, modify, and extend. The framework supports multiple AI providers, including OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, xAI, DeepSeek, Qwen, GLM, Minimax, Amazon Bedrock, Ollama, and other OpenAI-compatible endpoints. Another useful feature is decision history. Completed analyses can be written to disk, so subsequent runs can reference previous decisions and reasoning. For developers, getting started is straightforward. Clone the repository, install it with pip install. Configure your model provider and API credentials, then run an analysis with a ticker and date. You can configure research depth, model provider, and debate rounds, and Docker support is also available. But is this just an AI stock picker? Not really. A single agent assistant asks, "What do you think about this stock?" TradingAgents asks, "What does the research say? What is the strongest argument for the trade? What is the strongest argument against it? What does the trader propose? And can the risk team break that proposal?" That structural disagreement is the interesting part. There's also an important consideration for backtesting: look-ahead bias. Look-ahead bias happens when a historical experiment accidentally gets information that would not have been available at the time. For example, if you test a Monday decision but accidentally give the AI a news report published on Tuesday, the backtest can look better than reality. TradingAgents has introduced data validation work designed to prevent future information from leaking into historical analysis. But this does not make a strategy profitable. TradingAgents is a research framework, not financial advice. AI models are probabilistic, market data changes, news changes, and the same analysis may not produce identical results every time. So the real value of this project isn't a promise to predict the market. It is a working example of how multiple AI systems can become a team, given different responsibilities, forced to disagree, and connected through a repeatable workflow. The bigger question isn't, can AI predict the stock market? It's, what happens when you stop asking one AI for an answer and start building an entire AI decision-making system? Clone the repository, pick a ticker, run the analysis, watch the analysts investigate, watch the bulls and bears argue, and watch the risk team challenge the trade. Then decide for yourself, would you trust the room? The repository and documentation are linked below. Subscribe for more open source AI projects explained in plain English.